Hello everyone, welcome you all on our channel eFunda. New day, new topic, and today's topic is oil and gas engineering choke valve part 4B. You have already seen our topic on actuated ball valve and motor operated valve, that is MOV. This session we will cover details of choke valves and how it has been useful and designed. If you are new to our channel, then please watch our all previous videos so as to maintain the continuity of various session. If you feel today's video is good, informative, then please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And of course, press bell icon to get latest update. Typical wellhead platform scheme where we have been seen various instruments or various equipments are being installed so as to perform the interface successfully with the process complex. Our today's topic is choke valve. One can see how the choke valve is being used on a wellhead platform and their controllability. We will see in the detail. Let's begin with our today's topic, choke valve. Choke valves are severe service valves which are designed specifically for oil and gas wellhead application, both in subsurface and subsurface services. Choke valve serve is to kill the pressure from reservoir, that is to reduce the pressure, and to regulate downstream pressure in the flow lines. Choke valves are subjected to typical wellhead extreme conditions which can cause erosion, corrosion, and other damages. This includes high fluid velocity slugging, sand production, and multi-phase of oil, gases, and water. Choke valve must have very high turn down capability as it must cover a wide range of flow rates so as to take care of the services. Typically, oil wells are considered as a pressure control from header, whereas gases well typically for flow control from individual wells. If choke valves are selected poorly, then maintenance become a real issue due to regular removal of a choke valve for maintenance and refixing at position. This is the way it becomes a costly affair. Choke valve can be operated manually or automatically with required actuators. With this, we have touched the introductory part of this choke valve. For the detail, we will move to next slide. Types of choke valve. Typically, oil and gas producing wells have two choke valve in series, one non-regulating and one regulating choke valve. Now we will see the types. Non-regulating choke valve function acts as on-off valve and kill the reservoir pressure to a desired operating valve. Size to kill pressure when the valve is fully open. Valve is not used for flow regulation and hence not size for controlling the flow. Other type, regulating choke valve function is for flow control valve which is designed to maintain steady production level in flow lines and production error. Automatic valve and valve opening can be controlled via electric or pneumatic signal from control panel to regulate the flow in the downstream flow lines. This is how we have covered in brief choke valve types. For further topic, we have to see our next slide. Choke valve design. The choke valve design is governed by API 6A and API 17D standard. Used for flow control and pressure drop. Choke valve able to handle erosion, high fluid velocity and significant pressure fluctuation. Categories of the choke valve. There are three types. Drilling choke valve used to handle high pressure fluctuation. Injection choke used to control flow rate and back pressure during injection process. Production choke used for well optimization or to reduce wellhead pressure to safe working level. Common choke valve problems and their solutions. Corrosion associated with the choice of wrong material, relatively solvable by selecting suitable material is widely available. Common mistake: using choke valve specification based on history, better get present process conditions. Erosion. Velocity can cause body erosion, trim erosion and piping erosion. Leakage caused due to incorrect material selection as well as general design of choke valve. Cavitation, it lead to erosion and vibration. Selection of a material as a tungsten carbide often used to take care of this at certain extent. Valve consideration as per application. Production choke valve. Choke valve material shall be selected based on the temperature of the process fluid. Well fluid, that is liquid plus gas, droplets in high velocity gas application may be erosive. Trim material pressure drop should be considered specifically. Debris such as sand can be additional by product of production. Water injection. In injection application usually associated with cavitation due to low outlet pressure, multi-stage trim selection is needed. Low pressure recovery trims to eliminate onset cavitation and multi-stage trims can handle high pressure drops as well as cavitation. Gas lift. Gas lift valves are required a small trim for accurate control of the gas. The process fluid gas is often corrosive, so corrosive or corrosion resistant body materials are required. With this, we are completed our today's topic, choke valve. If you feel the information is important and relevant, then please like, share the information with your friends, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get personalized notification when we upload the new video or the contents are added on the channel. Once again, thank you for watching eFunda. Stay tuned for new topic.